Hello guys and welcome back. It's another beautiful day here out in the wild, 10 minutes away from civilization. I hope you're doing as greatly as I am. I don't know if that's a grammatically correct sentence. I don't care very much. I hope you don't neither. I should look up some grammar. For now, you can look up another question. It's technical nature as always, and I hope it helps you. If it does, feel free to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notified about every and each other video we do and upload. It would help me a lot. Have a nice day. Bye bye.